Looking for reliable pressure tank installation in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand the frustration of inconsistent water pressure and the worry of a failing system. Our expert pressure tank installation service ensures a steady and dependable water supply for your home or business right here in Sherwood Park. Whether you're upgrading an old tank or installing a new system, proper installation is crucial for efficiency and longevity. In Sherwood Park, you need a plumbing team you can trust. Kingstree Plumbing offers professional and affordable pressure tank installation performed by licensed experts who understand the unique needs of our community. We're committed to providing reliable service and ensuring your complete satisfaction. Don't let water pressure issues disrupt your day. Call Kingstree Plumbing today or click the link below to learn more about our pressure tank installation services in Sherwood Park and see how we can keep your water flowing smoothly